adding cards or end screen to your videos is something that you always have to do. Why? Because it can increase your watch hours. Because when you add cards or end screen to your videos, it will lead the viewer to watch your next videos, and when people keeps on watching your videos, YouTube is happy with this and your watch hours will increase. So let me show you how you can add end screen or card to your videos. Very simple. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into the YouTube studio and start adding cards and end screen to your videos. Pretty simple. Okay guys, so in order for us to add end screen, we're gonna head on to YouTube, then we're gonna click on the profile icon here. The next is to click on YouTube studio. So now we are in the YouTube studio. The next thing we're gonna do is to click on content and select the preferred video that you want to add end screen. So all that you're gonna do is to click on details. Okay, so I'm gonna use this video. If you want to add end screen, all that you're gonna do is to click on this, and guys, over here you can add the end screen. The next thing is to click on elements and select either video or playlist. So I'm gonna use video. Okay, so when we click on video, you can see it's here. By default, they will select most recent upload to show the viewer, but you can click on that and select the preferred video that you want. So if you click on that, then you choose specific video, you select that. Over here, then you select the video that you want to add as end screen. So I'm going to use this one. As you can see, simple like that. If you want to delete, all that you're going to do is to click on that, then hit delete. Simple like that. And you can also add playlist. Click on the element here, then click playlist. But before then, make sure you have playlist available. So you have to click on the playlist that you want. I have this YouTube for beginners guide. So click on that and you can see the playlist is over here. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on save. Very simple. So the end screen has been added. If you want to add cards, all that you're going to do is to click on the cards over here, and over here you can choose where you want to place the card. Okay, so let's place a card over here. Let me take a minute of your time. I want you to do me a simple favor. Click on the like button. By doing this, you are telling YouTube to promote the video to anyone who is searching how to add end screen or cards to their videos. If this video has helped you, help promote the video, and also subscribe to join the community for free. Comment, let me know where you are watching me from and I will welcome you into the community. You can call me Speezy. Let's move on. So if you want to add card, all that you're going to do is to select the place that you want to add a card. Then you click on card and select the video that you want. Okay, so let me choose this one, and you can see the video will show here how to invest in US stock. And guys, if you want to delete, all that you're going to do is to highlight that and click on delete. Simple. So if you want to add playlist, all that you're going to do is to select the place that you want to add a card, then click on plus and choose playlist. Simple like that. Then you select the playlist that you want. Very simple. So after that, all that you're going to do is to hit on save. The advice that I would tell you, if you want to add end screen or cards to your video, make sure the end screen relate to the video that the viewer is watching. Something like if the viewer is watching how to gain subscribers and you have a video on how to gain watch hours, you can add that to the end screen so that the viewer will go and watch, because after gaining subscribers, he or she will be thinking about watch hours. So make sure those videos that you use as your card and end screen, they relate to the video that the viewer is watching. Very simple, because somebody cannot watch how to gain subscribers and your end screen is how to make money in Fiverr. It doesn't match. Okay, so make sure those videos relate with each other. Put this in mind and do the right thing. Okay guys, so this is how you can add cards or end screen to your videos. Very simple. Do that so that you gain more subscribers and watch hours. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, you can call me Speezy. Table with Speezy, the money preacher. Yes, and I like it and I want it, and you also have to get it. It is all about success. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.